video, I'm going to talk about conversion tracking inside your Google Ads account. We're going to look at what exactly is conversion tracking, why you need to do it, and just briefly show you where to go to actually set that up. So when we talk about conversion tracking inside Google Ads, what we are talking about is recording an action on your website that you want somebody to take after they've come through from your ad. So as an example, if you're an e-commerce site, your main conversion goal will be for somebody to make a purchase. If you're generating leads, then you'll want people to pick up the phone, give you a call. That can be tracked as a conversion. You might want them to fill out a form and submit a form or download a guide, anything like that. So all of these actions that you want people to take, that is a conversion. So I'm hoping that from that, when we talk about the why you would want to track conversions, then basically it allows you to see how your ads are performing, whether you're getting a good ROI, whether you're getting enough leads to warrant the ad spend that you're making. And it also means that you can optimize your campaigns. You can see which maybe keywords, which ad groups, which campaigns are generating the most conversions at the best price or with the best ROI. And conversely, you can also see which maybe keywords or products in your shopping campaigns are not performing well, so that you can choose to reduce bids for those or remove them completely. So that's the what and the why. And I'm briefly going to show you now. I'm going to jump inside the Google Ads interface and briefly show you where you need to go. One, to check that you have conversion tracking set up, and to where to go to actually get that set up. So I shall see you inside an account in just 1 second. So here we are inside the Google Ads interface. This is the main overview screen. So where you want to go to check on your conversion tracking is up to the Tools menu up here and to Conversions. Now this is where all the conversions that you have set up in your account will be shown. Now this is a test account. I don't actually have any conversions set up here. So if hopefully you won't see this, but if you do, basically you go here and you add a conversion, and then you choose what type of conversion you want to set up. So a website conversion will be an action taken on your website. Apps, if you're looking for app downloads, phone calls, you can track you can use Google's tracking numbers to track phone calls on your website or from your ads, or you can import goals from another system like Google Analytics or from some CRM systems and that kind of thing. So you just basically follow the prompts. It will take you through setting up a goal. This is just showing you where to go, and then you'll need to send there'll be instructions at the end on how to install that tracking code. You can do it via Tag Manager, or can send the script to your web developer to get that installed. I'd briefly also like to mention here that if you are tracking e-commerce sales, it's also very important that as part of the conversion tracking, you are passing the value of the order back into Google Ads. That is the only way that you are going to be able to measure what we call your ROAS, your return on ad spend, to see how profitable your campaigns are. So it's very important with e-commerce tracking that the actual value of the order that's been placed gets passed back into Google Ads. So that's something else that you need to check on as well. But that's conversion tracking. It's probably the number one thing I would say on my, if I'm going through a checklist, it's the number one thing that you need to set up if you are running Google Ads. So if you have any questions, then please comment below the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.